me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, the air. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking day.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. We are back out here at QR. Got the S13 out. It's pretty much came off the trailer and then straight back on the trailer. It's only been a week since the last event and still pretty freaking excited to do some skids, of course, but I'm definitely going to get way more G'd up once I get out there. These are the tyres from Matsuri. Still got them on there. Hopefully it'll last like half the session, 4-hour session. And yeah, just Xavier's out here with his little MX-5 that he just got. It's pretty funny. It's got no power and he just loves it. So that's going to be interesting for him to drive. He just did his first lap and looks difficult. So I'm going to go out and have a bloody good time. Massive thanks to Brad for covering my jobs for today. The apprentice Brad. Everyone put in the comments, Brad, you're a legend, because without him I wouldn't be here. So thank you, Brad. And yeah, let's go do skids. Alrighty, so just done a couple of laps, probably like 10 laps. So then a little bit dirty now, but far out, man. This car is so freaking good. It just works like every time, and like you just really can't ask for much more out of the car. It just works. Fuel and tires, and it's not even using the tires. So yeah, pretty freaking happy. This layout's pretty sick. I'm kind of like stuck in between whether I should use second gear or third gear, because it's a slow start, and I've never like drifted in a tight track where it's a slow start. Even Archfield, like you have a pretty fast run up when you start drifting. Not always, but anyway, I'm just getting used to that. And so I'm taking off in second, doing the little S in second, and then there's a big corner here that I'm not quite sure if I want to stay in second and do this part of the track or change up to third. And yeah, when changing to third under those higher RPMs, it's more likely to break something. And also when I'm in third gear, it's like the diff seems to be not like life. So I'm going to stay in second. I've just made my line up, I'm going to stay in second. The cones are cool because it's a lot safer for your car. A lot of people are spinning out, and if you hit a cone, it's not going to destroy your car, rather than these barriers actually do damage your car a fair bit. So cones are cool, but there's a lot of stoppage time for someone to go out and set the cones up again after a fair few laps. But pros and cons to different situations. Anyway, it's freaking so much fun. Yeah, I can't say too much about anything because there's no issues with the car. Oh mate, look at this beast. Yeah. This thing is like probably like one of the loudest cars I've ever seen drift before. So yeah, we're gonna have to go give him a visit at his shop so we can check out his steering wheels. Might get one for the R32 yet. Anyway, let's jump back out on track, do some more skids, hopefully jump in tandems now. Xavier, we should jump in with Xavier and he can chase us. That'll be fun. Alright, let's go.
I don't know why you left me bleeding, with a broken heart. Tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. Please tell me when you left me bleeding, with a broken heart. Tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me, till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we had were so true? This world was made for two. I did it all.
You got the music going and everything. Oh, how much fun is this? So we're just gonna go out in the next car. Yeah, it's a freaking weapon of a JZ monster. This is the one that makes all the noise. We're gonna go ride passenger. He just said he's not going out anymore, and then he came for a ride with me, and then he's like, let's go do some more skids. So let's jump in and see what it's all about, the JZ life, mate. JZ life. We going?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Oh! My car was boring. That's insane. every run.
We'll see. We've got to drive it home too.
Yeah. Drive to the track, drive home. That's the way. Yeah, that was wild, man. That was wild. Shotgun. Oh man, that's crazy. I don't know if
Do those 3 laps.
yeah. Holy
Take you for a ride.
yeah, thank you so much. That was sick. If you guys remember, it's a bit loud, that car. I don't know if you guys remember, but the kamikaze Bring the Ruckus event.
Yeah.
Nick here was the one making all the noise. Beast. Holy shit, man. I'm gonna get in my car, it's gonna be so slow and boring. That was sick.
Once it grips up, it just like goes.
Yeah, you're not wrong. It's got so much grip. And the torque, it said 1,000.
Yeah, I like 420 on the wheels.
Yeah.
20 pound boost.
True. Yeah, that's sick. That's like perfect, eh?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Alright, let's do some of the skids on the LS.
That's one rep.
So, another day of drifting done. S13 still in one piece. I'm pretty excited, eh? Like, it just means like, literally cost me 25 bucks to put half a tank in this little tank of fuel here, and the tires are still on there. And I did a shit ton of laps. They definitely got lower and lower, and then one side's bald. On this side's like proper bald. Not roadworthy, I mean. And then I switched them over, I rotated them. That one's definitely cooked. I rotated them and I had so much more grip. These Road X tires are actually really good. Like, you get grip all the way down to nothing. So, definitely can't complain with these tires. It's like 3 events. That's like, so 4 days of drifting. No, 3 days of drifting. 1 set of tires. That's pretty freaking good. Yeah, can't complain with that. And yeah, didn't hit anything. Had some really good runs with Xavier, like so much fun with Xavier, his little MX-5. If you haven't seen his car yet, check out his freaking TikTok. It's probably on there by the time you see this. And man, that guy can drive. Hey, he's got like an MX-5 with no lock, just stock, and no power, and he's just killing it, eh? And it was so fun. He was just like tapping on his door at one stage. It was like a target, and I was just like aiming for his door, like trying to drive into him. It's pretty nuts. But yeah, definitely pushing the limits there a little bit, and got pretty close to the wall a couple of times, but not like super close. Definitely feel like I improved a lot today, just with comfort zone and whatnot. Did have an issue with the rear end when I was transitioning. It's because it's lower speeds than out on the big track. When you transition, one wheel was literally coming off the ground, and it, just because the rear end's like super stiff. So I could adjust the dampening settings, but like, I don't know. When I got more grip though, it went away. I don't know if it was my driving or the actual grip level of the rear. Strange. I'm sure someone will know what the hell was going on, but literally one of the wheels was coming off the wheel, off the ground apparently, which is nuts. On a flat ground, on the flat track. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed another freaking awesome track event. So many awesome guys out here. If you want to come out to one of these events, it's a private event, but you can message Lachlan. I'll put his details here, and he'll let you know when the upcoming events are and stuff. I'm sure he's going to be holding more. This is the second one he's held, and went really smoothly. This drift playground is actually like pretty freaking awesome. It's definitely different to the main track, but it's pretty freaking awesome. If you're learning to drive, definitely try and get out here on the drift playground, because like there's heaps of space. It looks daunting from the sideline, but it's actually heaps of space. Trust me, when you get out there, it's sick. But yeah, hopefully they hold like weekly events here, like, or not like daily events here for drifting, like maybe every afternoon, like sort of like Archegos does. And then it's just going to encourage drifting, which is what we're all about. And yeah, it's freaking awesome. So hope you guys, so yeah, if you haven't already, drop a comment below, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Appreciate all you guys for watching the channel and supporting me on my journey to do good skids. So wrap it up. Gonna go home and see Enzie and Zara, and yeah, missing them guys. So peace out. Look at this guy. That's fucking sick. This dude's hectic, man. Oh shit. These guys are hectic. That's so fucking gnarly, man. Holy shit, dude. Oh, he's changing lanes. Oh, man, I'm scared for this guy. Get off the back wheel. Holy shit. That was hectic, dude. What the fuck? Holy shit. This dude on the right's hectic. The back wheel just keeps moving and shit. Holy shit. You have to have some balls to do that, eh?